Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use AI here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, let me tell you that Canva has integrated AI powered tools that make designing easier and faster. Now, as you can see, Canva offers the Magic Design. It is an AI design generator, all right, powered by leading generative AI technology. All you're gonna do is click the try Magic Design for free. Just click it. What will happen is you would be forwarded to this page wherein you need to create your account here if you haven't already. Right? Sign up with your work email if you want. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, click the try Magic Design. Once you have created your account here, you would be forwarded to this section. All right. So you have all these options for you to choose. You have the Magic Design, all right, generated for you using AI. Now, you have all these depending on your preferences and goal. You might want to choose something. Now, if you see a watermark at the bottom right, that means you need the Canva Pro subscription for you to be able to unlock this element or to utilize this element right here. Okay? Otherwise, there's going to be watermark all the way through. You might want to check for the thousands of templates right here. That is for free. Now, how about, because if you click on this one right here, what will happen is, you see, you can customize this template. All right. But before you can save it, you are required to use the Canva Pro. But for now, let's choose this Magic Design by AI. I'm going to rename this. Now I'm going to the upload section on the left side panel of my dashboard. For example, I'm not happy with the, let me undo that right now. I'm not happy with the text here. All right. You see, another way for you to use AI here in Canva is using the magic write. You see that? Click on it. You can continue writing, shorten, rewrite, more fun, more formal, and you have all these. Say, for example, you want to continue writing. All right. You see, you have the option to stop generation, replace, or enter. All right. More like this. This is basically generated by AI. All right. Once you are happy with this, you might want to copy that. Just click on add below or replace. It's up to you right here. You can put it here. Of course, you have the option to change the font color. Maybe let's try to do something like this. And make it a little bit black, so it's a lot easier. All right, so this, undo that. Now, another option for you to use AI is go to the app section. Go to app and type in AI. So there's a lot that's going to be happening. You have the AI voiceover. You see these options, you can use all of them. For example, you click this AI voiceover. You can generate a human-like voiceover within seconds. You can access 800 AI voices that sound like humans in 100 plus languages in one place for your Canva voiceover. All right, so you might want to click on it. Click it open, just wait for it. For example, the first audio is type in your text. Maybe we're going to be using this instead. All you have to do is connect your account here and you would be able to generate a voiceover. Another option that you can do is go to the app section. Again, click on AI again to see what we got here. You see the AI image generator. AI image gen. Let's see what we can do from here. You describe the image you want to create and AI will do the work for you. Type in here. Click on create. Now, the results will determine if the you have like a complex kind of topic. For example, this. All right. Let me put it here. How about we type in a very easier thing to generate? For example, Halloween. You have two options. Now let's try to click the surprise me. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so you have you have now this. Now, again, go to the apps. Go to AI. Let's see how many we have, like AI frames. Let's try that. Image to AI frames, AI frames. Let's see what we got here. Easily create beautiful frames with AI. Simply describe your design frame and watch as AI brings it to life. All right. Unlock endless possibilities and create stunning frames with ease. We have a separate video on how to use frames here in Canva that you might want to check in our channel. But for now, this is going to be an advanced tutorial. All right. Let's click on AI frames to see what we got here. All right. So maybe a fluffy cloud. Maybe let's say car or frame. How about frame? Click on generate frame. Just wait for it to load to see what we got here. All right, so these are some of the options that we have. For example, this kind of thing. Now, what I'm going to do is go to the image generator again. All right. Image gen. Let's say, for example, let's type in car and click on create. Now, using Canva's AI tools, as you can see, helps you work more efficiently, automate repetitive tasks, and boost your creativity with smart suggestion features. Once you have this car right here, I'm going to drag it to the frame right here. You see that? And voila, we have a something special going on. I'm going to click on the present option to see if the elements blends perfectly well. Now, if you are happy with this, you might want to go to the share button. You might want to click. We might want to download this as a PNG, a JPEG, PDF, print, or an SVG. If you want to share this to your client, you might want to click on anyone with link and copy that link. If you want to share this to your social media channels, you might want to choose the Facebook right here, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you want to save it to your Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, PowerPoint, you are also welcome to do that. And if you want to forward it as an attachment here in an email, you can do that as well in WhatsApp and iMessage. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.